guys, my name is Alicia Renee and thank you for tuning in to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I install a wig today. So I'm going to be using Got2B, and as you see right now I'm doing my ball cap method. I did get a darker hair cap because that way I don't have to put makeup on the cap. I just feel like when you get a wig cap that matches your skin tone, you can eliminate doing the makeup method. So as you can see here, I'm just using the Got2B spray to glue down the wig cap onto my head. And I did have my blow dryer on the warm setting. My blow dryer has a hot, warm, and cold. And I use the warm because I feel like that works way better than doing the cold and the hot. The hot usually takes forever because I'm not sure if it's super hot in my room and it makes me sweat. So I use the warm setting. And as you can see, I'm just going around. And then also I am spraying the whole cap with the Got2B free spray. So when I cut the cap is still onto my head. It's not lifting up. And I'm just going ahead and drying the back. Alright, so next I am going to go ahead and cut the ball cap in the front. And I'm just going to go ahead and just cut it. So then that way, I cut it as far back as I can, so then the cap is not all the way on my forehead, because that's not where I'm laying my wig. So alright, so next I'm going to go ahead and use Got2B Gel. So as you see, I'm cutting it because the top wasn't working. And I'm using a hot comb to as well. And this is the wig. So the wig has two combs in the front, and then it has a comb in the back. It is a T-part wig. So I literally only have that little parting space right there and nothing else. So right now I'm putting the wig on my head just to see how it's gonna look. So I actually didn't purchase this wig myself. My mom buys hair off of Amazon all the time, and she ordered this from Amazon. It's from Beauty Forever, and she just gave it to me because she has too many wigs. So I took it, and I needed to do something to my hair anyway, so yeah. So I don't know how much this wig actually cost. I asked her to send me the link, but she didn't have it, so sorry. Alright, so next I'm taking my Got2B and I'm putting it on the end of my Rattail Comb, so that way I can evenly place it along my hairline to glue down the wig. I didn't have anything else. Actually, I probably did have a little popsicle stick, but I didn't feel like looking for that, and my comb was way more handy. So as you can see, I'm just putting it on my hairline, and I had to move my wig out the way so it wouldn't get any more glue on it. So I'm just trying to make sure that I'm evenly putting it on there, and I'm only putting it in the spot that the wig is gonna be, because I feel like it's pointless putting it on my on the whole hairline when there's no lace gonna be there. So now I'm just pressing the wig into the glue, and I'm combing it back so then that way the hair is out of the way. Alright, and next here I am putting mousse on it on the front just to help me just get the hair more out of the way for me. And then you see my son jumping around. His name is Kalan. Yeah, he just wanted to say hi to the camera, but here I'm just combing the hair back out of my face so then I can put the elastic band around my head and make it easier for me, because sometimes the band gets caught up in the hair and I don't like that. And I'm gonna go ahead now and wet the hair down just to get the curls to start forming, and so it won't be so big and poofy. So right now I'm just combing out the curls just so the product, the mousse and the water will both be evenly throughout the hair and nothing gets missed while I'm spraying, so that helps a lot. Alright, and right now I'm just repeating a lot of steps, just combing through the hair and just showing the curl pattern of the curls. I believe this is like a kinky curl. I'm not sure. Or maybe, yeah, I think it's like a kinky curl, or maybe like a jerry curl. I'm not sure what type of curl it is, honestly. But I'm just spraying the back to make sure the back is wet and the curls are popping back there as well. And as I said, I'm just repeating a lot of steps right now. So I hope you enjoy watching. Alright, so here I am about to go ahead and take off my headband, but I couldn't tighten it in the back, so I had to like pull it down over my head and just take it off. But right now, here I am parting a little bit in the front because I'm gonna go ahead and pluck it while it's on my head. I don't have like a wig head, so when I do my plucking, sometimes I just do it on my head because it's a lot easier for me to see the hairline when it's like applied to my head. So here I am just plucking away. And I'm just gonna pluck until I get the desired look that I want. I don't want to pluck too much hair because it's not that much parting space to begin with, but I'm gonna do the best that I can. And now I'm just gonna go ahead and do the other side of the part as well. This side is a little bit shorter than the other, so I shouldn't have to pluck that much hair on this side. So just keep watching and see how I'm plucking it. Alright, so now I'm gonna get ready to cut the lace off in the front. So I'm just cutting off a small piece first, and then I'm gonna go in and get the rest of the piece of lace that I didn't cut the first time. Okay, now that I'm done cutting off the lace, I'm just gonna go back in with my Got2B Gel and just relay the little pieces of lace in the front that were lifting due to me cutting and just tugging when I was plucking. And then I just sectioned off the parts that were gonna be my baby hairs, and I'm just gonna hot comb everything else back so that way you know, the install is as flat as I can get it be with it being curly hair. I just want to make sure it's, you know, just right. Alright, so here I am going in with the Got2B freeze spray. So I'm just putting that on the little part that's between the baby hairs and the rest of the hair, and tying down my elastic band so that way I can get that melted look. And I'm just gonna keep it there for like 5 to 10 minutes. Now I'm taking it off, and I'm gonna go ahead now and cut the pieces in the front so I can do the baby hairs. Please do not come for me because this is really like, I don't really do baby hairs that often, and I'm still very much learning how to do them. So I seen this method on TikTok where you take your flat iron and you curl them. So that's what I'm gonna be trying to do here. This flat iron is like a Kanye flat iron. I don't know, my sister gave it to me as a gift. So I'm going in and curling them up now. And I'm gonna do the other side. So I'm using this Nairobi hair mousse that I got from my local beauty supply, and I'm just applying that to my baby hairs, and then I'm gonna trim them as well a little bit because they are long, so do not come for me. I know they're very long right now, but I just want to shape them a little bit and then go in and cut what needs to be cut. So that's what I'm doing right now, just looking at them, shaping them, and then cutting. So I know when doing baby hair, you're supposed to do them like in a little C motion, and that's what I'm trying to do right here. And then we're gonna go to the other side and use that mousse and shape them again. And here I am again, just putting that elastic band around the hair, so then I can make sure that my wig isn't going nowhere and that it's laying down as flat as possible. So right here I am combing out the hairs because I'm trimming it, because I don't like the length. I believe this is like a 14-inch wig, maybe, yeah, I think it's like 14 or 16 inches. I don't like the length of it, so I'm just gonna cut it into like a little curly bob. Okay, so I'm just gonna keep on cutting until I get the desired look that I like, and make sure I'm not cutting it too short as well, and make sure it's as even as possible. So now I'm going to go ahead and take off my elastic band, and this is basically the finished product. So I did, as you can see, I finished trimming it, and then I believe this install is very cute, especially for me not to have bleached the knots on this T-part wig. So I really like the outcome of this. I feel like I look like the character from Big Mouth before they got her hair braided. I forgot her name, but definitely gives me those vibes with this little curly bob. And I'm just trimming this little piece. So this is the final look, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Again, this wig is from Beauty Forever, and I'm so sorry that I don't have the price. Thank you for watching.